Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. You guys have been following us on Instagram, you've been following us on social media. We are growing. This is our new unit. We are inside our new unit and we are setting it all up. There's loads of work going on and I'm going to be going through exactly what we're doing to the premises. Today is all about painting the place, getting it ready for the big launch. So what we're going to be doing, walking around what's in here currently, plus also what's going to be happening. So the unit currently, what we've got, so this wall here, so this is an expansion onto our current unit, which is at the moment on the other side of this wall we've got a 6,000 square foot unit. In here is 5,000 square foot. What we've got is this wall going to all be painting. However, this whole area here, which is a rather large expanse, is actually going to be knocked through in the coming weeks. That will give a full flow through our current workshop into this unit. And we're also going to have new electrics run all the way throughout, all the way around the unit. So what that means is basically we can trickle charge cars while your car's in with us. Just look at the space that we've got, guys. It's absolutely massive. We've got Lewis at the moment basically spraying the walls to match our existing unit. So they're going grey with the red pinstripe all the way along the top. If you've seen our current unit, you know exactly what that is. We've already moved a couple of cars in at the moment. However, all this is yet to disappear from the farmers. Then we've got his lovely tractor to disappear as well. We've already got the roller shutter in. Security is coming in the next couple of days. Obviously there's no access into here currently, so separate from our unit. However, there's loads of stuff going on, so security is coming in very shortly, securing the place, making this place the most secure that it possibly can be. So the wall's being painted at the moment. First coat is going on. But we're also going to be doing a video on how we painted the wall. We painted last wall inside when we moved in 2018. However, this wall we're doing in a better way. We're doing it in a nicer way. The reason is we've learned from that, and I'm going to be sharing all of that in all the video, in a whole video coming up very shortly about how to paint a workshop wall. It's one of those things that I wanted a video when I was looking into it to actually showcase exactly what this is, and why not? We're doing it ourselves, so why not? We can do that. So we've got the generator. Lewis is painting away, doing a really good job. So this is his first coat, and then he's going to be doing all the way around. Obviously once all that's out the way, all the way around to the door, we'll be tidying this up and then running new electrics all the way through, and then all of this will go through. Obviously there's going to be a hole all the way through this brick wall here, but really cool setup. Really proud to be showing you guys this. It's going to be absolutely epic. It's already thermally insulated, lighting's already in. We might be adding some more lighting at a later date, however it's okay for now. So this area is partially going to be used for vehicle storage. So if you haven't checked it out already, got a new website, new Instagram launch called Auto Vault Storage Cambridge. So make sure you go check that out. That'll be in the link in the description below. All the prices are on there to get your vehicle secured, booked in with us and reserve a space. We've already got quite a few bookings already for our launch date. So make sure you check that out. Make sure you book your car in, get in touch with us, drop us a line. Best thing you guys can do is hit the subscribe button as well below to make sure you follow more updates on our workshop tour, workshop expansion. We're growing, guys. We now have an 11,000 square foot workshop facility. It's absolutely epic. This is now one of the largest car audio bases in the country. It is absolutely epic. Really proud to be showing you guys this. So it's going to be absolutely epic. I can't believe, I'm so happy, so proud to be showing you guys the workshop space. I can't wait to get cars in, can't wait to get them worked on. At the moment, we're having to store cars outside, waiting for us to actually come in and do the work. However, now with this extra space, all the cars can come inside. Everything has its set area. We've also expanded inside on the other unit as well, adding more storage space. So loads of stuff going on, guys. So stay tuned for future videos. Thank you very much for watching.